And check this out. I took a look at this chain here and it does this light off, but this chain here is the fan. This one buzzes too. It spins faster, so I find it weird. And it rattles on high speed, it rattles the globe here. But let me go find a lamp that way. Here, let me turn on this lamp. Oh, Jesus. It's buzzing loudly. Oh, crap. Holy crap. Prepare for the scary one. Oh, no. It'd be scary to hear this within the dark. Oh my God. But when I hold the globe, it's quiet. I think I may need to tighten the screw. Oh my God. Let me stop. I'm gonna give you a startup sound. I feel so much safer with it either on low speed or no speed at all. I mean, I would feel safe with it either on low speed or not on at all. Alrighty, thanks for watching.